Run.
Partner. If you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then tap up. Sweetheart, and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get take it to the left now and dip with it. Gonna throw down, take a sip with it, and lean back with your hips. Let's have some fun.
Tyler, what are you? What's wrong?
Hello,
Oh
hello.
my God!
I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
Oh my! Oh my God!
Too loud, too loud.
Run.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna prank him.
You gonna prank him?
Yeah.
Do it.
Josh, wake up, wake up. There's a huge spider on your face. Don't move.
Uh-uh.
Don't move.
Dude, get it off!
Are you crying?
Get it off!
Stop
Get
being
off
such
my
a
face!
baby.
Get it off!
Johnny, challenge time. Take this bat. You're gonna close your eyes, and if you close your eyes and hit this apple, you will win $100. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
All right. I'm gonna count down, and I'm gonna tell you when it's coming, just so you sort of know. But give me your phone because it's gonna fall out of your pocket. I see it. Okay. All right. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
What was that?